Virtuo Vivo review screen. Get familiar with the tools offered in the review screen. Learn how to identify a restoration. Learn how to validate the occlusal distance. Use the display function to show and hide the different scans. You can toggle on and off the additional scans in order to confirm details. The closed function will open and close the scans. The monochrome function allows you to go from a colored scan to a monochrome beige scan. Show occlusal contact will display the contact in millimeter on the scans when clicking on the surface. Identify the tooth implant to the laboratory with the tooth identification function. Click on the tooth number icon displayed in the box. For scan body validation, tap on the top flat surface of the scan body. Then validate the 3D geometry of this one. Only Straumann, Integer, and Neodent scan body can be validated. Use Validate Occlusal Distance to confirm the bite registration. Click on the tooth surface to show the distance in millimeter compared to the arch scan. Check undercut on a preparation. Explained in the pre-preparation workflow video. Use the Cleaning Tools function to clean area of your scans. Possibility to undo and redo an action. Click Next to move to the export screen.